Welcome back to the another chapter of MySQL series. Today we will learn how we can join multiple table in SQL using a different kind of join. You can say, for example, I have a 4 table as you can see here. The like one film table, director table, genre table, and language table. Here I want to using join get the information of movie's name, director name, and in what language it is and what kind of genre it was, right? So we will understand step by step how we can use join in this tutorial. And if you don't know what kind of join are in SQL, you can check out my previous video where I have explained everything about the join, how we can give alias name, what kind of join was there. I have given link in the I button, you can check out that. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so first we will understand our table. Before you using or you performing any joins, you make sure that you know the details about the table. For example, I have one film table where I have the film ID, title, release date, director ID, studio, and everything over here, right? As you can see here. All right, and now here I have a one director table where I have uh, director ID is first name, family name, date of birth, and gender. Okay, and then I have one genre table where I have the information of genre ID and what kind of genre it was. Okay, and then another table I have language, and where I have the details of language ID and language. Okay, so I hope you found that there is some common key between all the tables, right? So for example, in film table we have all the details like language ID, genre ID. This is the common column in between all the tables, right? There is a one common column. So what we will do here to get this information. Okay, so now how we will write the query? First I need to specify what column we need. Okay, so in select command, what we will write? Our column, which column we need. From film, which column we need? Movie's name, right? So I will take here the film dot title. Okay, from director column, what we need? If you can see first name and film name, because here I want a director name, right? So I will write director dot first name and comma last name, family name. Okay, then comma from genre table, what I need from genre name, right? So I will write genre dot genre. Okay, then from the language table, what I need a language, right? So I will write here language dot. See, this first is a table name, and then another, because sometimes we can get confused here. This is genre, this is the first table name, this is the column name, this language also table name, and dot I have written the table column. Okay, so column. Now here I will write from film, with whom I'm gonna join this. First I will join with the director, so I will write from inner join. We are gonna use here inner join, with whom I'm joining this. I will write here the director, right? Because I'm gonna join with this film and director two table. Okay, so this is our join, with whom I'm joining this table. Now what will be our joining condition? So I will write on film dot from film, which column we gonna take? See, which is the common column? Director ID. Even the director column table also we have common column director ID. So I will write here director ID. Let me copy paste this. We are gonna use again. Okay, then is equal to director. From director table also we are gonna use director ID. Okay, then our this join is done. Now we have to join with the genre. Okay, so again you have to write inner join. Now with film, which table we are going to join? Genre film, right? Genre table. So I will write here genre. Okay, on film, film dot which column are the common between genre and fill? There is a genre ID, as you can see here. See, there is a genre ID, and even in the genre table we have a common column, genre ID. Okay, so we will write genre ID, okay, is equal to genre dot genre ID. Okay, so now our three table has been joined. The film, first we join film with the director, then again we join film with the genre. Now the last table is language, so we will use again inner join. We will write with which table we are gonna join, with the language table, and we will write here on. Then we will write film dot language ID. There is a common column, right? Is equal to language dot language ID. All right. Now, if you will hit the control enter, you will get all the information like movie's name, or you can give title as a, here also you can write as a movie name. Okay. Okay. So movie name, the first name, family name of director, the which genre like adventure and all, and from which language. Even if you want, you can write here like this, order by language dot language. So it will become order by also. Okay, see, whenever you are joining the multiple table and you are giving any order by or group by, you have to specify the table name also. Okay, so you can like write this. There is another way to write the same query. You can use a where clause, but this is the standard syntax to use a joins. There is another way to write same syntax. You can write like this also. Right, let me copy paste this first. This will be the same. Another way to write this, you can write fill, then you can write all the, you can say all the table name, genre, then again director, then again language, right? Then in where clause you will write where film dot whatever you want first, it's up to you, like genre ID is equal to genre dot genre ID. Then again you will write and again you want director, right? Director, sorry, first we have to take a film, right? Film dot director ID is equal to director dot director ID. Then again and film dot language ID is equal to language dot language ID. Okay, this is also a way to write the same query. You will get the same result. As you can see here, this is also the same, and here also you got the same result. But the only difference is that here we use a join, here we use a where clause. This is also an easier way to write, but this is the standard syntax, you can say, to use a join. Okay, I hope everybody understand how we can use multiple join, or if you want to use a left join, or maybe in this condition we don't have to use a left or right join. Here we have to use only the inner join. So if you want, like sometime you want to sometime you want to join some table with the left columns like that, so you can simply change the join, and like that you can do multiple join over here. Okay, I hope everybody clear with this. Till then, happy learning, keep supporting, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.